How to plant and cultivate hairgrass for aquascape for beginners. Hairgrass, or known as Iliocharis parvula, is a kind of grass that grows in water. This grass plant comes from America. Hairgrass is used as a foreground or carpet plant that is found on the bottom of the tank. There are three types of hairgrass plants, namely 1. Long hairgrass. This hairgrass plant has a longer size compared to other hairgrass plants. Therefore, this type of hairgrass plant is more widely used for the back of the foreground. 2. Dwarf hairgrass. This type of dwarf hairgrass is the type that is most interested because this type of hairgrass is very suitable in various sizes of tanks. This type of dwarf hairgrass has a shorter size. For that, this type of hairgrass plant is more widely used on the front of the foreground. 3. Hairgrass Japan. Japan's hairgrass plant has a longer size than the hairgrass dwarf type but shorter than long hairgrass. This type of hairgrass grows using shoots and inside the buds containing 3 to 9 leaves. This type of hairgrass plant is more widely used for the back of the foreground. Before planting hairgrass for aquascape layout, there are several things that need to be considered, including A. Hairgrass plants don't need too much CO2. B. Lamplight plays an important role in the growth of hairgrass plants. For that, consistent and stable lighting between medium and high is needed. pH needed between 6.0 to 8.0, with optimal conditions in the aquarium between 70 degrees to 83 degrees. D. The height of this plant can reach sizes 3 to 10 inches. E. Hairgrass plants need a lot of fertilizer. Here's how to plant and cultivate hairgrass for aquascape for complete beginners. 1. How to plant hairgrass by sowing seeds. Before starting the nursery, there are several things that need to be prepared, including hairgrass seeds that can be bought at the store, aquarium or tank, sand or substrate, fertilizer, water, aquarium lights, and spray bottles. Here are the steps. A. Prepare the tank or tank. Place the planting medium or substrate in the form of sand. Pour sand in the first layer. Then sprinkle fertilizer. B. Then, place the sand again as the second layer. The sand can be mixed with bricks that have been roughly crushed, or sand mixed with fertilizer. C. The first layer of planting medium and the second layer are recommended to have a thickness of approximately 2 inches. D. Furthermore, the pond with water below the surface of the planting medium is approximately 1 to 1.5 centimeters in height. This is only to make the growing medium moist. If excessive water can make the seeds rot. E. After that, sprinkle the seeds little by little into the media and try to spread evenly to the media, then spray the water with the most delicate sprayers. Just get moist and don't get too moist. F. Then, irradiate approximately 6 to 8 hours per day. G. Spray 2 times a day, i.e. in the morning and evening for the first 7 days. If the seeds are all good, then on the 3rd day the seeds start to germinate. Then on the 7th day the plants can be flooded with water. The aquarium can be filled with full water. 2. Planting hairgrass with plants that are ready to plant. Here are the steps. A. Hairgrass seeds can be purchased at offline stores or online stores. Then prepare the planting medium in the form of sand that has been mixed with humus soil about 3 to 4 centimeters high into a tank or tank. Then wet the planting medium to make it easy when planting. B. Before planting, clean the hairgrass seeds first from dirt at the root. C. Separate hairgrass into several parts. One root hairgrass usually consists of 3 to 5 leaves. D. Plant in planting media using tweezers. Give each distance so that the hairgrass grows neatly arranged, spreads naturally and dense to form a grid pattern like planting rice. E. Then after planting, place it in the shade which is not directly exposed to the sun. F. Spray morning and evening with a fine spray tip to keep the plant moist. G. After 2 weeks the leaves will usually turn yellow and fall out, but that's a natural thing because after experiencing the process new shoots will appear. After the new leaves are rather long, fill the tank with full water. H. The use of a stable lamp and fertilizer will speed up the process of growing hairgrass plants that you have. 3. Aquascape hairgrass treatment. This plant requires CO2 which is not too high, therefore it does not need CO injection to just maintain the stability of the light. On the first day the aquarium is inundated with water, you should give liquid fertilizer. This liquid fertilizer is given every week after replacing aquarium water. In addition, step-by-step fertilizer is also needed every 2 months. To maintain the beauty of the hairgrass plant and so as not to disturb the incoming light, do pruning regularly if there is grass that starts to elongate. Use clean scissors to keep the plant from being infected. Pruning should be done more or less once a month. This is our video that discusses how to grow and cultivate hairgrass for aquascape for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.